Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can apply code and coupons on discounts on draws while shopping. So if you have received message or email from draws and you have received coupon code, then you can apply that coupon code to get some discount. So for that, just open your draws app on your mobile phone. Now when you open drawers, just select any product that you want to purchase. When you click on that product, just simply click on this buy now option. Just click on buy now. Now select your color or your product and just simply click on this buy now. When you click on this, so this is the final checkout page. You can read at the top checkout. Now here you can see option called enter store or daraz code. This is the section where you will write your code that you have received on your message or on your email. So just write code here. After writing your code, your amount will be deducted from your total amount. So this will be the discount on this code. After applying this, just simply click on place order, and this is the way how you can apply your coupon codes on your draws.